Hi guys and ladies, I've been researching hundreds of recipes for chicken cordon bleu. So here I'm going to cherry pick ideas that I liked best from these recipes. I want to throw in a twist that, well, will suit my Italian taste buds. You know I'm not much of a cook, let's face it. I have no idea if this will work. Let's see. Okay, here I have just 1 cup of flour. In my case, it's low-carb, gluten-free coconut flour. To another dish goes 1 cup of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Now to that I'm adding 1 cup of breadcrumbs. In my case these aren't breadcrumbs, but they're low-carb, yummy pork rinds. So I'll season the breadcrumbs, pork rinds, with 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Oh, the fragrance. So now I'm going to whisk up 2 extra large eggs. So I was able to find 4 of these chicken breasts at the supermarket that were marked thin sliced. I suppose that means butterflied. You still have to pound these even flatter because you have to be able to roll them up. Well, here's 2 of them now. These 4 breasts were just over a pound, almost a pound and a quarter. I'm going to lightly season both sides of these with salt and pepper. Okay, here I've got 4 ounces of goat cheese and I'm dividing it into 4 equal pieces. You could use blue cheese if you want, or any kind of cheese you like. Standard for this recipe is Swiss cheese, but I want to put an Italian twist on things. What I have in my hand is a thinly sliced piece of prosciutto ham. Normally regular ham is used, but come on, this is going to be extra good. This is prosciutto. Let's use about 2 slices. Now let's put a portion of that goat cheese on there. Let me see if I can roll this up. Not bad. Let's squeeze the ends closed. Now I'm going to stab this with a toothpick or 2. As a kid, we almost went broke because this was the only lunch meat that I would eat. I just loved prosciutto. Back then, we called it pursuit, like in Trivial Pursuit. I'll be there. That's a big one. Well, now I'm going to make a sauce for our chicken cordon bleu. It's going to be the standard white sauce. Oh, no, it isn't, because you know why? It's not going to contain flour or gluten. It's going to not overwhelm the chicken with new flavors. It's going to complement, I hope, the flavors that we already have in the chicken. Let's see. So I'm putting the burner on low. Well, I'm going to preheat the oven now to 350. Here's where I pour 1/3 cup of vegetable oil in a skillet. Okay, another video, another production line. Now I'm going to roll this in the flour. Then into the egg wash. Then into the breadcrumbs. Not really breadcrumbs. Then into the skillet. They're not perfectly round. They have about 4 sides to them. They look good though. Who would have thought Parmesan and pork rinds could get brown, but they are. This is not cooking them, we're just browning them. They're going into the oven. I'm going to set them up on the rack now. Ready for the oven. Uh-oh, cheese escaping. Well, I've browned these little chickies for quite a while, so I'm not going to put them the full time in the oven. I'm going to guess 22 minutes ought to cook them thoroughly. We'll find out. No problem. While the sauce is warming up and the chicken is in the oven, I need to tell you that that famous celebrity food critic, Miss Lulu Cheeks, is coming over for dinner tonight. And I'm pretty nervous. You see, once back in the early 1970s, I saved my money and I took her out for a romantic dinner. We ordered, well, guess what? Delicious chicken cordon bleu. Well, she loved it so much that, well, Lulu came very, very close to telling me that she loved me. That's why I'm serving this dish again. I really think the way to her heart is through her tummy. Now let's see how she reacts when she tastes this. It's been about 23 minutes. Let's see how it looks. It looks decent. I hope it's not undercooked nor overcooked. Because they're falling apart, I'm not going to try cutting them all. We can do this at the table. I'm just spooning sauce over this. Gosh, they look good. I wish they didn't fall apart though. Well, here we are again with that famous celebrity food critic, Miss Lulu Cheeks. Hi, Miss Cheeks.
Hi.
Well, I can call you Lulu now, right?
I think so.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Would you like to try my chicken cordon bleu?
Sure.
Look, I have a little forkful all ready for you. It's a big forkful.
Yummy. Very good.
You like that? Oh, good. I'm so happy that you like my chicken cordon bleu. Does it remind you of that day back in the early 70s when we went out to eat and...
Yeah.
Yeah, you remember that,
Yeah,
huh?
I know.
Yeah. Does that prompt you to say even more to me?
Yes, now I can honestly say that I love your chicken cordon bleu.
Thank you, Miss Lulu.
Anytime.
There are so many Italian ingredients in this chicken cordon bleu. I was thinking maybe I should call it chicken Corleone Bleu.